Hi, this is Hayes Sewing Machine Company. I'm going to show you how to digitize this flower on the Baby Lock Solaris using your IQ Designer. This is a program that will let you create basic embroidery designs right on your machine. To create this flower, we're going to go into our shapes, select the flower, hit OK. We're going to go into the size and using the button in the top corner, which will change your size proportionately. We're going to scale this down to be 5 inches. Hit OK. We're going to duplicate the design using your duplicate button, which brings in the same design, same exact size. We would like to make it smaller, so we're going to go into size and adjust it down to 3 inches. Close enough. The flower is slightly off skew on our design, so I would like to center it. This button with the dot in the center will take the design and put it in the center of your design. Select OK. We're going to go into our object and fill properties. Select your satin stitch. Select whatever color you would like it to be. Hit OK. We would like the bucket to be highlighted. And then select your outside flower area, kind of in between the two flowers. Select your object properties again. Select your stippling fill. Select another color. Hit OK. And then select the center of your design. In order to change our outline properties, we want to be in our line property box. Select another color. It doesn't matter what color really, but we want it to see and show up. Select your bucket. Touch the design on the line itself. You'll notice that it changes slightly in color to a different color that we have selected. Go to your line properties. Select your candle wicking stitch. Select another color for your outline. Hit OK. Touch the outline of our outer flower. Select Next. This will let you change properties of each fill or outline. We're going to scroll through until we have our stippling showing in this box up here, which will allow us to change the size of the stippling or the spacing. Select the spacing, and we're going to bring this down to about 0.8. Hit OK. It'll take a moment to process, and it tightens up our stippling. I would also like to change the size of my satin stitch, so I scroll through until the satin stitch shows up. Select our satin stitch width, and then we're going to bring this down to about 0.4. Select OK, and there's my design. We are going to save this design as a working file. You can either save it to your stick or save it to your machine. I suggest saving it to a stick and having a unique stick that is just for your IQ designs. That way you keep everything organized. The advantage of saving the working file is if you want to go back and either do this design again, edit it, tweak it, you can't change it once it's turned into an embroidery design. So if you have it saved as a working file, you can still edit. We're going to save our design. We're going to hit set again, and it's telling us we're getting ready to go into embroidery mode. So hit OK. Go into embroidery. We're going to save this design again so that now it's saved as an embroidery design as well as a working file. You can select your stick or select your machine. You are now ready to embroider out your project.